IPCA Laboratories has launched its new molecule Diulcus. This molecule will be used to treat diabetic foot ulcers. And for more on this, we are joined by the Managing Director of IPCA Laboratories, Mr. Ajit Jain. Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
Thank you.
So please tell us more about Diulcus, and also why was it important to bring a molecule like this in the market so that our viewers can also understand the importance of treatment required in the diabetic foot ulcer segment.
Let's say India has almost around 10 crore diabetes population, and more than that are the pre-diabetics. Almost around 13.6 million people are pre-diabetic. So India is a diabetes capital of the world, and almost 10% of that population suffers from diabetes foot ulcer because of long-term diabetes and hyperglycemic conditions and all. And these wounds are very difficult to treat. These also get infected and it's very difficult to treat at that level, and mostly the older population suffers from these kind of problems. And what happens is that even after treatment these wounds keep on opening, and there are no right treatment available today. So Novalid Pharma is a startup, and they invested money on with the help of BIREC, a Government of India institute. They got some kind of funding from there, and they invested their own money and developed this product. They did an extensive clinical trial in the country at premier institutes like PGI Chandigarh is there, Chelaram Institute of Diabetes there at Pune, Ramaiah Hospital is there at Bangalore. So there are lots of centers in Chennai also at a very good center. The clinical trial, phase 3 clinical trial was done, and it is established that almost around in first 3 months of treatment, almost more than 60% of the populations, they are getting their wound closure. And even after stopping the treatment within 6 months, almost around 70% of the populations are getting the complete cure of this foot ulcer. And beauty of this product is that once wound is closed, it doesn't get reopened again. So mostly in the diabetes cases, it is observed that wound get opened. So here there is a permanent relief to that wound doesn't get open. So that's a very good product, and it's unmet need in the country. And because a lot of, if you find that amputation which is happening in the country, non-traumatic amputation, almost around in the you say 80% of the population that amputation happens because of diabetes foot ulcer. So this will be one of the very good product for saving the foot of the people which are older people and having diabetes for a long period of time. So it will help the mankind in a big way. So it's a unmet need in the country. And IPCA as a company has always addressed the innovations, and we have built the company based on addressing the unmet need. So this is one such offerings we are now offering, which is also an unmet need in the market, and that will help the populations in a great way.
Okay, you just briefed about how this molecule can be really helpful, especially for older patients with diabetes. I just want to understand a little bit more on why this molecule is one of its kind and is different from other molecules that are existing under this segment.
So there are no treatment available right now. It's only the doctors are taking care of the patient by way of managing the treatment, by applying all these kind of infection control, and thereafter taking care of the wound. But there is no drug available for wound closure right now. So this is the unmet need today, because there is no product available as such for wound closure. And this is the product which will help in case of patient, the complete wound closure. And the clinical trials results are fascinating kind of results are there. In 60% of the population within 3 months of the treatment, if the wound is getting closed and it doesn't get open, it's fantastic for the people who are suffering from this kind of disease.
Okay, and sir, I want to understand that what kind of investments have gone into the development of this drug, and both you and your partner for this particular product.
So Novalid has taken a global patent on this product. It's a patented product. They will be launching in India. We have taken the in-license from Novalid Pharma. So we have spent almost around 13 crore rupees on that. And Novalid has spent much more bigger money because they have global patent. They will be also be looking for partners in Europe and also in America and various other countries. So it's going to be a global product. It's the first market where we are launching. We have taken the in-license and marketing is India.
Okay.
Yeah.
And apart from that, what are the, like if we talk about the expectations from the product, what are the sales or what kind of a market share are you expecting from this?
See, right now it's an unmet market. There are no products. So it's the first product of its kind. So we expect 100% of market share of these kind of products. So because the extensive clinical trials is done in the country. So all the medical professionals who has initially done the clinical trials, and now we are reaching. We have done the almost the mapping of all the doctors who are doing the treating the diabetes foot ulcer. So complete mapping has been done, and we will be promoting those kind of. There are almost around more than 2,500 centers where the diabetes foot ulcer in the country is treated. So all those the places we will be promoting the product, and we see a great result because more than the results and sales, it's a saving of food for the people. That's going to be a great relief to the people.
Still, if you have any target in mind for the medium term or so.
So we plan to build more than 100 crore product in short period of time. So it will definitely have a lot of efforts are required from our side, addressing supply chain, so many other issues, promoting product, continuous educating the medical professionals on that and all that. So that work will have to be done. But we are very confident that we should be able to save large amount of people's food by by offering this product.
Okay, great. I also want to understand that what are the initiatives that you will be taking when it comes to the distribution of this product? Any partnerships in line for that?
We have extensive network of stockists and the distribution channel. So we don't need to reinvent the distribution channel. We have complete distribution channel because we are already at we are ranked 16th company, and now last quarter we have jumped one more rank, so we are a 15th company in India. So we have extensive network to address the distribution. So we don't need right now any kind of partners, and we will be able to address the entire country by making this product available. And we have almost around 7,000 medical reps in the country. For this particular therapy, we have almost around more than 200 medical reps who will be targeting, and who will be meeting the doctors and promoting the product.
And also, sir, can you tell us a little bit on the pricing of the product, and when can we see this in the medical stores?
This product is, let's say, in the east and north, product is launched, and west and your south, the product will be launched from Monday. So practically, this product will be available on all the important counters where this product should be available.
Okay, and any idea of the pricing?
This product is priced around 1,365 rupees for a tube per tube, and this product uses a lot of those kind of ingredients which are imported and were very expensive ingredients, and it is also required to be sterilized. So completely, it's a different kind of sterilization process is there for this product, and therefore it's a little expensive product. Yeah.
So the APIs that have gone into the development of this product, are they, most of them are exported or they are homemade?
Oh, this is Smolol is basically an product for your hypertensions and all. So, but it's in rare conditions. This injectable, there is no tablet available for this product. This drug has been repurposed for the purpose of diabetes foot ulcer. And what happens in diabetes is basically the person is having your hyperglycemic, and because of hyperglycemic conditions, there is some kind of saturation happens of the vessels and all, and with that it creates some kind of harmful substances. These products help to come out of that, and it helps in blood circulations, and thereby the treatment happens. So that's the more of your way of it's a pathway to treat this product through this product.
And so, is this only for type 2 diabetes or for both?
No, it's for diabetes foot ulcer. Any kind of diabetes foot ulcer. It's effective. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
And
but this should be applied once your infections, whatever is there, that is treated. Thereafter, it should be applied. If there is infection, then infection has to be first treated, and thereafter this product need to be given. Yeah.
Great. And lastly, sir, are there any headwinds that you see, in the near future when it comes with respect to this product? Any side effects that you want to point out, and how are you planning to go about it?
I would say that every product that is any kind of medical product, there are effect and side effects are always there. But one has to see that what kind of benefit it gives. That's more important, and it's a tremendous benefit to the diabetes population, where the amputation of foot happens and then person suffers for whole life. If you have a 60 to 70% of the people whose amputations you can avoid by treating, it's a fantastic relief to the mankind.
Great. And so this was about your new product. Apart from this, you have already entered into the diabetic foot ulcer segment. What for IPCA, what are the other segments that are in focus for the company?
See, we are leaders in pain management. We are the leaders in rheumatoid arthritis. We are the one who brought the rheumatoid arthritis products in the country. There were no product available except from import source.
Can we take this point again?
Yeah,
Actually, my phone rang.
Yeah.
Just a second. So I'll just ask this question to you again. Also, can you tell us that, so you have already entered the diabetic foot ulcer segment. So what are the other segments that are in focus for IPCA at this point?
As far as IPCA is concerned, we are leaders in anti-malarials. We are traditionally called as anti-malarial company. Thereafter, we have changed our focus to the pain management. So both rheumatoid arthritis and arthritis, there are two segments that are there. We are leaders in both the segments. We are pioneer in bringing all the treatments for rheumatoid arthritis in the country. And in osteoarthritis also, we have brought the molecules in the country which is having less acidity impact and all, and we emerged as a leader. In addition to that, we are there in various other therapy. On cardiotherapy, we were the one for the first time we have done a clinical trial on chlorthalidone. In a lower dose chlorthalidone, we have proved that it is much effective than the existing product like hydrochlorothiazide, and that was the trial which was globally acclaimed as one of the best clinical trial in the world, and it's published in the test book. So thereafter, your product has become, our brand CTD has become a big product in the country, and recently it has also, one of us says the combination has come in the top 300 products in the country. So we are very focused. We have always seen that what are unmet need in the market, and we have tried to address those kind of unmet need, and through which we have built our domestic market.
Okay, so any more launches in line in the near term?
It will not be right for my part to disclose today to the media that what kind of products are in pipeline, because I don't want to alert my competitors. So, but it's our practice that we keep on doing innovations and keep in bringing innovations. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for taking out some time and talking to us.
Thank you.
It was a great conversation with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.